Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, I will guide you in setting up a proxy in the Sheet bot. Let's get started. Launch the bot and navigate to the Proxies tab. Although I already have proxies set, I'll demonstrate how to set up a proxy using a list. Click on New Proxy List located at the top right corner. A window will appear allowing you to configure the proxy settings. Enter the name of the list in the first field. In the second field, input your proxies line by line. If using free proxies, use the format of IP and proxy port separated by colons. For personal proxies, use the following format instead: IP, proxy port, username, and password separating each component with colons. Once all the information is entered, click on Create New Proxy List. The list will now be created and displayed in the workspace. Now navigate to the Tasks tab. While creating a new task, you need to associate the designated proxy with it. In the Proxy List field, select the name of the list you created earlier from the pop-up menu. Fill in the required details for the task and then click on Create New Task. That's it. The proxy is now set and bound to the task. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on the network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on the network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.